Hi everyone, once again I am with another video to show you how to design onboard 5V DC power supply for any microcontroller in DipTrace PCB designing software. So let's start. First of all, you need to install DipTrace PCB design software in your computer. Link is available in the description to download the DipTrace software. Once installed, you will get the DipTrace launcher like this. So PCB designing software has 4 categories here. In schematics capture, you can create the schematics of your board as well as you can convert your schematics to PCB. In PCB layout, you can create the PCB of your circuit with auto placement and auto routing facilities. In component editor, you can edit the properties of any component, and in pattern editor, you can edit the pattern of any component. It's rare the requirement of component editor and pattern editor. This is the circuit diagram of onboard 5V power supply for microcontroller. We will design the circuit according to this circuit diagram, so you can download it from the link that is available in the video description. So let's open the schematic capture. First, we pick and place all the required components. We scroll down below and select con header. We can add any number of headers from here. We take headers with 2 pins and paste to sheet. These headers are the input of DC voltage that we want to step down to 5V. Now, top of the sheet, select discrete. Here we can see the different kind of capacitor with their type. We select 100 microfarad capacitor and paste. Now select diode, paste it. Scroll below, select Atmel. Below you will see 7805 regulator in both DIP and SMD packaging. Select DIP package and paste it to the sheet. Now go to discrete. Below in component list, choose resistor and after it LED. We have all the components now. Now we start connecting it as per the circuit diagram. Our circuit has been finished. Now time to convert this circuit to PCB. Go to File tab and click on Convert to PCB. The process of PCB designing from schematic is starting. It is asking for rule for creating PCB. We select Use schematic rules and then OK. As you can see, all the component and circuit is import from schematic to PCB. Now you can go here for manual or auto placement of components. So first I go for auto placement. Click on Placement tab and select Auto placement. As you can see, all the components have been arranged automatically by the placement. We can again go for the auto placement if not getting any good placement. So it's okay, it is looking good. Now we do auto routing for PCB connections. We go to Route tab and select the Run Auto Router. As you can see, here is possible auto routing for connecting the components is done by the software. We go to the bottom side of the PCB. Only few connections are left that is not possible to make by auto routing. So we do it manually. I rotate and drag and drop the 2-pin header. These headers are the input of DC voltage that we want to step down to 5V. Now I am adjusting the components what looks suitable to me. You can also place manually as per your choice. Now I go for route manual. Click on the pad. As you can see, blue color traces will show you where we have to connect the connection. We connect all the connections one by one. We can change the traces route as what's suitable for us. I want to write the 2-pin header's name, so I click on Place Text. Click here and write 12V in. Font size is too large, so right click on the text and select font. I change the font size to 3. Now copy and paste this. Right click and change to ground. I want to change the text color from top SA to top silk. If you want to change the pad size of any component like register. Right click on register and in the bottom click on pad properties. You can change the width and height of the pad. Click on apply to all pads and OK. You can see the size of the pad has been changed. Now we check the error in PCB, so click on auto route. As you can see, here is no error in PCB. That's all, your PCB is ready. Now everybody is little curious about how my PCB is look after design in hardware. So I have a solution for it. We can see 3D design of this PCB. So click on 3D. It's start making pattern index. We don't have 3D component of it, so it will visualize you the PCB only. Click OK. You can click on save all new models to project and OK. As you can see the 3D model of your PCB. After machine design, your PCB look like this. So thanks for the watching. Have a good day.